Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, magluluto tayo. Gagawa tayo ng Beef Kulma. Yes, gagawa tayo ng tausug dish na favorite almost lahat ng tausug. It's the Beef Kulma. So, hindi natin patagayin pa. Here are the ingredients. Disclaimer lang po, this recipe is na tutunan ko lang po sa mga pinsan ko, mga aunties, and for the record, hindi po ako chef, hindi po ako magaling magluto. Just love to cook. It's my hobby, and kung nasasarapan pa sa luto ko din,
So, ang unang natin gagawin is to marinate the beef with curry powder, salt, and pepper. Minamarinate ko siya by batch, so the flavor of the curry powder, salt, and pepper will mix talaga sa beef. Yan. May batches siya. So now we're just going to cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes. So now we are just going to pour an oil into our pan. Preheated pan po ito. And now we are going to saute our onion for about 30 seconds to a minute, and we'll just wait until it's cooked. So now kung okay na yung texture ng onion, let's add in the garlic. This is 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, but I use here 5 cloves of garlic, and also in the ingredient. Then you're just going to saute it and let it cook for about a minute, and we'll add the ginger. And after adding the ginger, let's just saute everything for a minute or two. After natin maggisa ng ilalagay na natin yung marinated beef kulma natin. Marinated beef in curry powder, and we'll just mix it until all the flavors will mix. And after that, we'll just cover it. We'll just wait for about 3 to 5 minutes. After yan, lalagyan natin siya ng 1 cup of water. So now we're just going to mix it so the flavor will blend. And now we are going to add the tomato sauce.
1/2 cup of tomato sauce and mix it. And now we're going to add the coconut milk. Yeah, got that. And a tablespoon of peanut butter. And now we are going to add carrots and potatoes. Sorry na lagay ko na siya before ko na record. So first is carrots then potatoes. Now we're going to add the bell peppers. And palutuin natin yan siya just 10 to 15 minutes. This is not authentic beef kulma. Authentic beef kulma is yung wala siyang vegetable like potatoes, carrots, or bell peppers. Yung authentic na beef kulma is just plain beef with the first ingredients of protein. So, we'll wait for another 10 to 15 minutes para maluto siya. Disclaimer lang, hindi po ako chef, hindi po ako marunong magluto, or I just love cooking and I just want to share na kung paano ko lutuin yung mga kinakain ko. And it's up to you kung gusto nyo layahin or whatsoever. So here's our beef kulma. And also guys, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong uploads ko. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, click mo na yan. Bye! Thank you for watching. Disclaimer lang, this recipe Hi guys! So for today's this recipe is not made by me. Natutunan ko lang po ito sa mga
Hi.
Okay.